Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to share a highlight link on Instagram, making it easy for you to showcase your favorite moments with friends and followers. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account so you can access your profile and highlights seamlessly. Next, navigate to the profile that contains the highlight you want to share. You can do this by either searching for their username or clicking on their profile if you follow them. Once you're on their profile, look under their bio section. Here, you will find the highlights displayed prominently. Now, locate the specific highlight you wish to share. Click and hold on that highlight. This action will prompt a menu to appear, giving you several options related to that highlight. From the menu that appears, select Copy Link. This will copy the link to your clipboard, allowing you to share it wherever you like. Finally, navigate to the platform where you want to share the link, be it a messaging app, email, or another social media platform. Simply paste the link in your desired location and send it off. Sharing highlights is a fantastic way to keep your friends updated with your best moments or promote content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's a memorable trip, an event, or just fun times with friends, highlights can capture those experiences beautifully. In summary, sharing a highlight link on Instagram is straightforward. By following these simple steps, opening the app, navigating to the profile, finding the highlight, copying the link, and sharing it, you can easily connect with others and showcase what matters most to you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you share your Instagram highlights effortlessly. Happy sharing!